welcome viewers. I'm Pia and you're watching NewsX. Let's take a look at the top headlines this hour.
Make India great again, यानी MEGA.
During the bilateral meet with US President Donald Trump, Prime Minister Modi has highlighted the similarity between MAGA and Viksit Bharat. He stated that the latter is essentially Make India Great Again and has also stated that a joint vision of MAGA and MEGA has become a mega partnership for prosperity.
Great.
I'm pleased to announce that my administration has approved the extradition of one of the plotters and one of the very evil people of the world. I'm pleased to announce.
US President Donald Trump has announced that his administration has approved the extradition of Tahir Rana, who was wanted by Indian probe agencies for his role in the 26/11 Mumbai terror attacks.
Increasing military sales to India by many billions of dollars. We're also paving the way to ultimately provide India with the F-35 stealth fighters.
In a move that could significantly boost military ties between India and the United States of America, Donald Trump has announced for the sale of F-35 fighter jets to India.
इस वक्त भारत में होने जा रही क्वाड समिट में हम पार्टनर देशों के साथ नए क्षेत्रों में सहयोग बढ़ाएंगे.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced that this time India will host the Quad Summit. Later this year, he has stated that India will enhance its cooperation in new avenues with the partner countries. Meanwhile, India and the United States of America will work to more than double the bilateral trade to $500 billion by 2030. The Prime Minister has stated that both countries will work on concluding a mutually beneficial trade agreement very, very soon. Meanwhile, President's rule has been imposed in violence-hit Manipur days after Chief Minister N. Biren Singh resigned ahead of a no-confidence motion threat by the opposition. YouTuber Ranveer Allabadia has approached the Supreme Court to club multiple FIRs lodged against him across India over his recent inappropriate comments on the show India's Got Latent.